Home Assistant is an open source smart home platform that runs on local hardware like a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated server. It connects and controls a wide range of smart devices across different brands through integrations, allowing users to automate and customize their homes extensively. Its strengths lie in flexibility and privacy since it operates locally without relying on cloud services. Users can create complex automations, dashboards, and scripts tailored to their exact needs. However, its open source nature means setup and maintenance require some technical knowledge, which could be a barrier for beginners. Ideal users are tech-savvy individuals who want full control over their smart home environment and prioritize privacy and customization over plug-and-play convenience. Apple HomeKit is a proprietary smart home platform integrated into the Apple ecosystem, accessible through iPhones, iPads, and Macs. It offers a straightforward setup process with a focus on security and privacy, using end-to-end encryption for device communication. HomeKit supports a curated list of compatible accessories, ensuring reliable performance and seamless interaction with Siri voice control. Its strength is the ease of use and tight integration with Apple services like the Home app and Apple TV as a hub for remote access. However, the limitation is its restricted device compatibility compared to open platforms, and it requires Apple hardware to access its full features. Ideal users are Apple enthusiasts seeking a simple, secure, and reliable smart home experience without the need for technical setup. Home Assistant and Apple HomeKit cater to different user needs. Home Assistant excels in customization, supporting a vast array of devices and complex automations, perfect for users who want to tinker and optimize their smart homes. Apple HomeKit shines in simplicity and security, ideal for users who prefer a hassle-free experience tightly integrated with their Apple devices. The trade-off is between flexibility and ease of use. Home Assistant demands technical skills and manual setup, while HomeKit offers plug-and-play convenience but with limited device options. Choosing depends on whether you prioritize control and versatility or seamless integration and simplicity. Choose Home Assistant if you want maximum customization and control over your smart home and don't mind investing time in setup and management. Opt for Apple HomeKit if you value effortless setup, strong privacy, and seamless integration with Apple devices. Both systems excel in their domains, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.